Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
We're gonna choose someone right now to give away the ODI green grip. I'm gonna give them these green ODI grips. That's the rules.
So you're scrolling down.
Just scroll a bunch, up and down. Like, oh yeah, you gotta
just get it all over it.
Because they go in like first to last, right? So. Alright, you just keep doing that. I'm just gonna.
You should have hearted. You should have liked the one saying.
Hold on. Skate neat. Been following you from the beginning of the moped video.
Hey,
you won grips, dog. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you want more giveaways. But this boy just won the ODI grips.
Okay.
It's very easy. That's your trick at that point. Yeah, I want to say this is terrible idea. Oh boy. Them Lectrons though. Then the clear bowl piece too.
Motherfuckers is nasty. Smell like chips.
Those are dirty.
That's dirty.
That scissor.
Literally, it could be dirty. It literally could be dirty. It could pull off to be dirty.
Whoa, there's some Sprite in there. That's the real two-stroke oil. Pre-packed the silencers. Spray painted engine bay. $8,000.
Stock KA. No. Spray painted engine bay.
No, it's
8K.
Look at this man's gas can. This looks like one that you pull out like in GTA. Can you see the fumes? First start going down. Oh! How do you think first start's gonna go?
Crazy. Hey, but that's what happens when you do deals. And that's why I got it for the 18.
There she go.
Just go through the lines?
Yeah.
Yo,
oh shit.
You see it?
Probably needs more.
Dude, that shit.
Thickened radiator.
Damn.
Just like I got.
Thickened.
Thickened. I don't know what do they call it? Oversized. Oversized.
Thickened.
Juan, you drew that?
I drew that.
Really? For art class?
Yes, sir.
El Chapa!
Our lady said, "Oh, you amazing artist." I said, "That's me."
Juan is not rocking with the bar pad. You don't like it, Juan?
I don't know. It's like, it's just, I don't know. I don't feel it. Like, I just don't feel it. It's cool. I mean, it's right there.
You ever see yourself like,
Talk about the safety. I'm talking about the looks.
To put the plastic.
Y'all rocking with the bar pad?
give it a no.
No? Yeah, I think a no too.
Not rocking.
Yeah, I'm not rocking with it either. I'll get rid of this for you.
Oh, thanks, dude.
You want the package? No.
Yeah, it's getting sparkly, motherfucker. Well, I don't think the boot was on all the way though. That's for shoddy. Alright.
So I'm pretty sure you
I don't think the boot was on all the way. The boot wasn't on all the way. First kick.
I swear I felt them both in.
Yup. Hey, it started though. It sounds better than it did before, like ever have.
Yeah.
Where's your thumb throttle?
Threw that away. It was garbage. It was literally garbage.
You couldn't ride this right now if you didn't throw it away.
Yeah, I could have.
Always throwing away bench parts. I tell him never throw away bench parts.
Think it's faster than yours, Trev?
I don't know.
That's what we need to test out.
Yeah, I'm curious how the Electrons do.
You guys gonna have to do a.
We just got different pipes.
We got the Vforce too.
Yeah, you got
Yours
Vforce
is
3.
just-
Yeah,
yours
his might
is
be a little
not-
faster.
yours-
Yups.
What up?
What's up, Trevor?
What's up?
Bro, I text you on fucking Facebook, bro. You didn't sponsor me right now.
Sponsor you? I was gonna sponsor you, but we're out here riding Banshees. I was riding the Banshee.
Hey, I was doubting it. But I was doubting it heavily. AKA, it's time for Dumont soon.
The money's back.
Penitentiary chances just to make a couple bucks. How many times you lied? How many times?
See what that we got here? See what we working with?
Yo, you can change it
See
out
what we
like
working
that?
with? We got the foam cannon and the new gun. The pressure washer gun and a foam cannon from MATCC. So we're gonna try this puppy out. Gas powered, 3100 PSI, 2.5 GPM, Honda powered,
Easily
pressure
over
washer.
50 horsepower.
We're gonna test this thing out today. Test out this new gun, and then probably next time we'll throw this thing on the dyno. Throw some more power at it. Says it what does 4,000 PSI? Damn, first review. This thing's the pistol piece. This thing, look how long this is.
That's a sniper.
You're not gonna be able to get into there. Like, look, you wouldn't be able to get under Juan's bike. Light this one. I feel cheesy. This one feels compared to this one. This one's like the gun. Yups. Oh, it's heavier than I thought. This thing.
Wow.
Wow, and then you just get all the angles and it stays level the whole time. Lime green.
25.
25.
15, no?
15?
15 would be cool.
15 would be cool.
Just like that, right?
Wait, this one has a different thread.
Whoa.
Wow.
Comes with
And then that would go in there. Wow. So they give you the adapter with it too. Smack.
this shit legit has blowback. Steady as
Got
hell.
that. Try it with just the tip with no degreaser real quick.
God damn.
I hardly got to use the new gun for the power washer. I didn't even get to try the foam cannon because the power washer is acting up. One's still out here cleaning the Banshee up. Still out here cleaning the paint that black, and I think it would look 100 times better. So sadly enough, we're not even able to test out the foam cannon with the new pressure washer gun because I'm having trouble with my pressure washer. It still will only run on choke. Every time I put it on run, it stalls out. I cleaned the main jet on it, I cleaned the little jet on top, cleaned it out with some wire. We did get to try out the gun last. This thing works great. Two favorite things about this thing: how short it is. If you see, even if you took off the metal on this one still has like a 20-inch reach, which you wouldn't even be able to get underneath your car if you wanted to, or underneath a quad without putting it on jack stands. My favorite thing about this though is if you look where the hose connection is. So if your hose is connected here in front of your hand, it kind of gives you a weird like turning thing because you're like pulling the hose around. Rather as this one's mounted right here in the back, just like you're kind of used to stuff, so it's like it's behind you. It just feels good. It's the little things that you don't think would make a difference, but when you're cleaning stuff, it just makes it a whole lot better to work on. We're gonna try out this foam cannon here next. Washing my car probably next weekend. Chokes in there. Starts right up. Put it on run. Stalls right out. But I highly suggest getting one of those pressure washer guns. If you guys are looking to get one of those, make sure you guys do it now and check the description below because you guys can save 35% off on that pressure washer gun and also that foam cannon. So there'll be discount codes in the description below, and get yourself one, save yourself some money. But that's gonna do it for this video. As you can see, we moved everything around last night. Last night was a really busy night. We even put my motor back in. I'm gonna be doing concrete right here in this whole area finally. and we're gonna be getting rid of this lip right here on this garage. So no longer a bump. It should be flattened out, even with the garage and concrete all the way back. So I can pull my car straight back here, work on it, do what I gotta do. But make sure you guys leave a thumbs up on this video. Leave a comment down below what you guys think of Juan's Banshee. We got that thing first started up today, and yeah, we got a lot done. So that's gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.